Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can start to earn money with affiliate marketing. So if you're somebody who's looking to get started with affiliate marketing, then I'm going to be going over that in this video. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be going over how to get started with affiliate marketing. Now, this is, in my opinion, the best way to get started when it comes to earning money online. And the reason why is because you don't have to have your own products to sell in order to start making money. So, if you're ready to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing, then hit the like button. So let me just get right into it. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's when you're promoting somebody else's products online through a specific link that's coded to you. And whenever somebody clicks on that link and they buy the product that you're promoting, then that's when you make a commission. Now, the reason why I say this is the best way to make money online, in my opinion, is because, like I mentioned earlier, you don't have to have your own products to sell in order to get started. And basically, anybody can get started when it comes to affiliate marketing. All you have to do is just sign up to an affiliate program. Now, when it comes to affiliate programs, there's a number of them out there. For example, there's JVZoo, there's ClickBank, there's Amazon Associates. But the two most common ones that I see people talking about the most are Amazon Associates and ClickBank. Both of these programs are free to sign up. All you have to do is just go to either of these websites, AmazonAssociates.com or ClickBank.com, and then you sign up. It's free. All you have to do is create an account and fill out your information. Amazon Associates, they do require you to have a website in order for you to start promoting products as an affiliate. Now, let me just first talk about the difference between Amazon Associates and ClickBank. Now, both of these, as I mentioned, are free programs to sign up to become an affiliate for, but they both pay very differently when it comes to commissions. Amazon is known to pay very low commissions, somewhere between 2 to 4% on any product that is purchased through your affiliate link, and ClickBank pays a lot more. It depends on the product that you're promoting. It can be anywhere from 12 to 40% commissions. Now, on the plus side, Amazon is well known, so people are more likely to buy products off of Amazon because it's known worldwide. But ClickBank, there's a few variables that you should consider when picking a product. And if you guys are interested in learning how to pick a product from ClickBank, I've done a video on the past about that, and you guys can check it out. I'm going to leave a card up here somewhere if you guys are interested in learning how to pick a product when it comes to ClickBank. Okay, so once you pick an affiliate program to get started with, the first thing that you're going to need to do is to pick a niche. So this is going to be a specific category that you're going to be focusing on. It can be any niche that you want to pick. It can be the health and wellness niche. It can be the make money online niche, the relationship niche, the tech and gadget niche. It can be a niche about video games. Anything that you're passionate about, I would recommend going with. The reason why I say this is because this is something that you're going to want to do for the long term if you're looking to create a successful business with. If you're just in it for the money, I wouldn't recommend going with affiliate marketing at all, because chances are when you're brand new to this business and you're just in it for the money, you're going to fail. So I don't even recommend that you waste your time if you're just only in it for the money. I recommend it for people who are really passionate about picking a niche that they want to be creating content for during the long run. So once you pick your niche, the next thing that you need to do is to pick a product. Now, this is where you're going to be making money from. This is a product that you're going to be promoting to people who are in your niche. And the best way to get people to buy the product that you're promoting is to be solving a problem with that product. So you should be addressing a problem that people are having in your niche, and you're providing that product as a solution to their problem. Now, the good thing about Amazon Associates and ClickBank is that they have a wide variety of products that you can promote as an affiliate. So chances are, whatever niche that you pick, you can find a product that's related to that niche. And I just want to mention, whatever product that you're promoting, it should be related to the niche. If you're in the weight loss niche, your product should be related to weight loss. It shouldn't be something that has to do with video games or sports. It should be related to the niche that you're in. Because if not, you're gonna have a real hard time getting people to buy that product. Pretty much nobody's gonna buy that product. So once you pick your product, the next thing that you're gonna need to do is create content. You should be creating content that's delivering value based on the niche that you're in. So content can be any form of YouTube videos, blog posts, Facebook posts, Instagram posts, or even a podcast. The whole purpose of you creating content is to deliver value to the people in your niche. So the best way to deliver value is to be addressing a problem that people are having in your niche, which I mentioned earlier. So when you consistently create content that's delivering value, where you're addressing problems that people are having and offering a solution to it, you're gonna start to build up an audience, because people are gonna resonate with the content that you're putting out there. They're gonna see the value in the content, and they're gonna start to build trust with you. So once you have an audience where you start to build trust with, they're more likely to buy the product that you're promoting. As opposed if you're just a random person on the internet that's saying, hey, buy this product right here, it'll change your life. If you build up an audience, which is gonna take time, and you build trust with that audience, and you're showing them that you're delivering value in the content that you're creating, it's gonna be a lot easier to promote a product to them, where they're gonna actually wanna buy that product. So just to give you guys an example, let's say that you're in the weight loss niche, and you're creating content where you're showing people how to eat healthier so they can lose weight, or how to do some exercises that'll help them lose weight. You can create YouTube videos where you're showing them a few exercises that they can do to, lose weight, get their heart pumping. You can create another YouTube video where you're showing somebody how to eat healthier by showing them a few healthy cooking recipes. People who are struggling to lose weight, they're gonna see the value in this content, and then more than likely you're gonna get subscribers this way. People who are gonna be interested in losing weight, they're gonna see the value in it, and over time you're gonna start to build trust with them. So it's important to deliver value in the content that you're creating. Now, as I mentioned, over time you're gonna start to build up an audience. Once you build up your audience, the next thing that you can do to make money with affiliate marketing is to sell to your audience. So whenever you create content, you can always give people a call to action in your videos or your blog post or your Facebook post or whatever platform that you're using to create your content. So first, you should be delivering value in the content that you're creating, and then at the end of your content, you should be giving people a call to action. A call to action is just letting people know that if they want to get started to solve the problem that they're having, just click the link which is going to take them to the product that you're promoting. So for example, if you create a blog post where you're talking about 5 exercises that people can do to lose weight, you go over those 5 exercises, and then at the end of your blog post you can just simply say, to get started with the solution to your problems, click here if you're serious about losing weight, and just have the link which is going to take them to the product page of the affiliate product that you're promoting, which can be a weight loss supplement. And you're going to keep on doing this over and over and over again. But if you're really trying to build a business with affiliate marketing that you can scale, I would recommend going with an email software service. And if you don't know what an email software service is this is a service that allows you to create an email list where you can set up an autoresponder sequence. Now, an autoresponder sequence is a series of emails that you write out beforehand. So whenever somebody opts into your email list, they're going to receive those autoresponder sequences on a scheduled basis. Now, this is where we get into email marketing. Now, email marketing is very powerful when it comes to making money online. Most people are skeptical when it comes to email marketing because they think it's outdated or it doesn't work. But there's plenty of people out there who are using email marketing to earn a full-time income. And I'm not going to go into detail about it in this video. I've done videos on that in the past. And if you guys are interested in learning more about email marketing, I'm going to leave it in the cards somewhere up here if you guys want to check it out. So let me just quickly recap what you need to get started when it comes to affiliate marketing. First, you need to sign up for an affiliate program. Then you need to pick a niche. Then you need to pick a product. And then once you pick a product, you need to create content where you're gonna be delivering value. And when you deliver value in the content that you're creating, you're gonna build up an audience. And once you do that, you can sell to your audience. The reason why is because you're gonna have trust among your audience, so they're more likely to buy from you. So that's a quick summary of what you need to get started when it comes to affiliate marketing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys want to see more videos like this where I talk about other methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So let me know what you guys thought about this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this method. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.